Hello, good morning, my beautiful people. Welcome back to Positive Channel. If you're a new subscriber, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I upload every other week. So in today's video, we're finally gonna be doing 7 tips how to grow long videos. I was thinking of this because I don't know, even yesterday I did almost a 20-minute video. So I wanna give you guys tips and tricks how to put or make long videos, because these last couple of days I've been finding out I am trying my best to give y'all long footage and long vlogs as I can. So why not read these 7 tips and we'll see how well this video goes. And if you guys like videos like this, please let me know, because guys, listen this. I know I'm still a small content creator, and I know I want to do well on YouTube. And if you guys do have any tips in the comments, please let me know, guys, because as a small creator myself, I know I'm still small and I might not give y'all the content that you guys want to see. So please let me know, guys. Let me know what you think. I know the vlogs maybe might be boring to you guys, but guys, listen, I am trying my best to see what I can do better. I don't know what a video I should do for y'all, because I know next month is July, and I want to do some trivia questions about July. I did mention I'm going to give y'all more trivia questions for at least 6 months. I'm going to give you guys trivia questions, because listen this, maybe y'all might not know it, maybe you guys want them. If you guys want questions, trivia questions, which I'll give, let me know what y'all want, because I'm giving y'all the content, right? I don't really see what some of you guys will ask. I remember someone did mention that I got the hiccups, and I didn't get that yet. And please do be patient. If I do get that, I'll let y'all know. I know y'all want those type of vlogs, but be patient, okay? Because I know those are the vlogs y'all want, okay? So let me read these tips to y'all, and then if you guys like anything else, let me know, because I did mention the vlogs I'm going to be doing. And then when I finish, I do not know what I'm going to do next, and then we'll see from there, okay? So let's sit down and let's get right into this video. I don't want to rap all day, and I don't want to make y'all bored, okay? Let's go. All right, guys. I had to start my video over again because one of the part of my video clip cut off. So I had to start it over. So I'm going to read 7 tips how to make longer videos. Okay? The first one is add more photos and videos to your clips. So it basically means whatever type of vlog or footage you're going to do, try to add videos, try to add images. And if you guys want to see, I do that with my videos. So try to add more clips or videos, images, add everything. Okay? The next one, loop your videos. So this basically means that you repeat your videos several, it could be we could repeat it 2 times. That would make the video more long. Okay? And if you see a lot of people do that on YouTube, try to repeat your videos. The next one, add into intro and outro to your videos. Okay? So intro is how you begin your video, and outro is when you end the video. If you don't do that, you're not gonna make a long video, and then you're not gonna know when to add, when you know when you have to end the video, right? You're just gonna add and then you're done, right? The next one, video booming, video boomerang. So it means you do a video that goes forward and backwards. So basically um you go forward, then you go backward, forward, backward, forward, backward. Okay? And I think I may have done that in when I was putting on the fake nails last year. It was a 26-minute video. Yeah, and it ended up messing up. Okay? change video speed. So basically means like change the speed of the video. Like don't just talk blah 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 blah. Like try to speed it up a little bit. Okay? The next one is freeze frame. So freeze frame's like you pause. Like I don't know if I don't know if this phone can do it. Can it do it? To show you guys right there. I just paused my phone. See that little pause button right there? Yeah. That's how you pause a video. Okay? Okay. So that is basically I will show you the clip when I just did just now about how to pause your video. So like let's say if someone's calling you and you want to continue, just pause. Okay? The last one without least, turn images to videos. So I had found some images and videos. I will share them to you on my phone so you guys can I'll share it on the video so you guys can understand what I mean about this, okay? Hold on. Just do a random video. Right? Hi guys. Today I'm gonna be doing this car diamond painting today, y'all. And then you just alright guys, so I just added the clips to my videos, so I hope you guys will get the chance to see it. But I'm gonna go end this vlog right here. If you're new, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on my social medias. I'll see you on the next one. The next video I want to do is reading in my bed, so I think I'll do like a reading vlog to you. I want to read Diana Dance. I want to read this book today. Not today, but another time. I want to do a vlog reading this book because I got this book and I never had a chance to do like a reading for a long time. And then my last vlog is going to be doing an ASMR. Okay? So I hope this video doesn't mess up because it has some good clips, but I had to take it off and redo it over again. So don't mind me guys if I'm disappointing you guys. I know I might do, but there's sometimes videos tend to get messed up and I don't want that to happen, but it just happened the wrong timing. Okay? So let me end this vlog right here. If you're new, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on my social medias. I'll see you guys in my next one. And like I said guys, I will let you know when I have these videos done that you guys want me to do. I will let you know and I'll post it. Okay? I'm gonna go and edit this video. I hope it doesn't mess up, and that's it. Okay, bye guys.